so many people are of the opinion that the Honda Civic is the best and most economical car when compared to the Toyota Corolla. However, many more persons have argued that the Toyota Corolla is the best option when compared to the Honda Civic. Don't get confused. I remain your guy, Dave. I'll be giving you a detailed comparison of both cars as regards to fuel consumption, cost of maintenance, comfort, resale value, durability, and reliability. Also, at the end of this video, I will tell you which of these cars is best for you as an individual. Without wasting so much time, let's look at the configuration of the engines of both cars. First, the Toyota Corolla comes with 1.8 liters 4-cylinder engine and with a power output of 126 horsepower and with 4-speed automatic transmission system. While the 2007 Honda Civic also comes with 1.8 liters 4-cylinder engine, but with a higher power output of 140 horsepower and with 5-speed automatic transmission system. So from this data, the Honda Accord actually has a greater power output when compared to the Toyota Corolla, and that's the truth. Honda as a brand has a track record for having very high performance engine. Usually if performance is a priority for you, the Honda would always give you a higher performance engine when compared to the Toyota Corolla. Now let's look at the acceleration of both cars. The Toyota Corolla has an acceleration of 10.5 seconds, meaning it can move from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour within 10.5 seconds. While the Honda Civic has a better acceleration of 10 seconds, meaning it can move from 0 to 100 kilometers within 10 seconds. So in terms of acceleration, the Honda Civic will give you a better acceleration when compared to the Toyota Corolla. This is because of the high performance engine that comes with the Honda Civic when compared to the Toyota Corolla. Now let's proceed by looking at the fuel consumption of both cars, which is usually a major determinant factor. The Honda Civic has a fuel efficiency of 8.1 liters for every 100 kilometers, while the Toyota Corolla has a fuel efficiency of 6.9 liters for every 100 kilometers. So the Toyota Corolla actually has a lower fuel consumption when compared to the Honda Civic. And that's true because of the high performance of the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic tend to consume more fuel when compared to the Toyota Corolla. So the Toyota Corolla has a lower and a better fuel consumption when compared to the Honda Civic. However, these two cars have very low fuel consumption when compared with other cars of their class. So their fuel consumption rating is very low and very economical, more especially for times like this. Now let's look at the cost of maintenance for both cars. The difference in the cost of maintenance for both cars is not much. This is because these two cars are almost of the same class. However, for the purpose of comparison, more details will be given on the cost of maintenance for both cars. The cost of repairs and maintenance for Toyota Corolla is lower when compared to the Honda Accord. This is because the mechanics for the Toyota Corolla are readily available. Almost any mechanic by the roadside can lay hand on your Toyota Corolla and bring it back to good shape. Not every mechanic can easily work on your Honda car and bring it to good shape. However, when it comes to the spare parts of both cars, the spare parts of the Toyota Corolla are very expensive. This is because of the high demand for Toyota Corolla, not just in Africa, but globally. At a point in time, the Toyota Corolla was the world's best-selling car, and so the high demand for this Corolla has resulted in the high demand for the parts, thereby resulting to very expensive prices for the spare parts when compared to the Honda Civic. Looking at the comfort of both cars. Now, mind you, these cars are basic cars that were produced to meet your basic necessities and your daily runnings, basically for your business, for your domestic staff, or just a basic family car for your daily needs. So they're able to give you limited comfort, and they can comfortably accommodate 3 persons in the back and 1 person in the front. That is how it was originally designed. However, for places like Nigeria, it is usually 4 persons in the back and 2 in the front. In terms of comfort, both cars have similar comfort. However, the Toyota Corolla is more spacious when compared to the Honda Civic, but the difference in the cargo space is really not much. When you're considering of buying a car, the resale value should be of great concern to you, more especially for the fact that you would eventually sell the car. You shouldn't be completely at loss when deciding to sell your car. And that's why the resale value of any car is always of great concern. So when it comes to resale value, the Toyota Corolla has a higher resale value when compared to the Honda Civic. This is because the Toyota Corolla has been able to buy into the heart of so many people around the world as a basic car that is able to serve all your needs and your purposes. Because of the high demand for the Toyota car, the resale value is always very high when compared to the Honda Civic. Take for instance, if you want to sell your Toyota Corolla car today and you put it by the roadside, if it is in a good shape, I can assure you that in less than a week, you will sell that car for a very high value. This is not so for the Honda, and so the Toyota Corolla has a higher resale value when compared to the Honda Civic. Finally, let's look at the durability of both cars. When it comes to durability, both cars are very durable. At least they have a track record of being the most durable cars on the street of Nigeria as of today. However, for the purpose of this comparison, one would definitely be rated above the other. And so when it comes to durability and reliability, the Toyota brand has a track record for producing the most durable and most reliable cars globally. And that is why Toyota cars are very popular. And so the Toyota Corolla is very rugged, very strong, and also more reliable when compared to the Honda Civic. Looking at the fact that certain generations of Honda cars have had issues with the legs, and so that alone is a setback. So you really have to decide what you want for yourself. However, I would recommend that if you are looking for a high performance car and you are considering any of these two cars, the Honda Civic will definitely give you what you want, because the Honda Civic engine is a high performance engine. However, if you are looking for a more fuel efficient car that has more space, more durable, and very reliable, then the Toyota Corolla will be the best option for you. Please guys, let me know your opinions about these cars in the comment section. Like and subscribe to this channel for more tech reviews.